The McWhopper, a combo between the Big Mac and the Whopper. Cut your buns into three and toast them until golden brown. Fry the meat hot, smash it down, and then add the special sauce. The special sauce is very easy to make. Add a teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, 1 tablespoon smoky paprika, 3 heaped teaspoons of brown sugar, 1 heaped tablespoon of special onion powder, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Mix well. A tablespoon of Worcester sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, 2 heaped tablespoons of corn flour. Mix together until golden brown. Flip the burger and add a little bit more of the special sauce. Let it steam for a bit, flip once more, and then it should be perfect. Now we are ready to make the burger. Add some mayo to the bottom bun and spread well. Top with loads of lettuce. Add a little mustard and spread it all over the lettuce. Place the burger on top and then add a piece of smoky American cheese. Now add the separator bun. Mix equal amounts of mayo and ketchup and mix until nice and pink. Add some finely diced onions. Spread out nice and evenly. And add the second burger on top of it. Add the second slice of American cheese. Add a little more mayo. This is the glue for the next layer, which will be another heaped layer of lettuce. Top with tomato slices. Spread them out evenly. And then season with some salt and pepper. Finish off with the top half of the burger. Shove a wooden stake through it like it was a vampire and serve. This is my new favorite burger. The patties are juicy and flavorful. There's a nice smoky cheesiness going through it. There is a ton of salad, so it feels healthy even though it probably isn't. Who knows? Anyway, I hope you guys give it a try, and as always, thanks for watching.